Hello, this is Juarun Khan. Welcome to my channel Solaris RAC. After being a long time, today I am going to start my day 2 series, step by step Oracle RAC on Solaris 10 using VM. So let's get into our practical session. Today I am going to install the software, and I would like to show you how to set up the RAC environment, Oracle RAC environment for educational purpose. Actually, this concept has come from data center, Oracle data center, and as you know, as you may have known about the Solaris 10, that Solaris is a Unix based platform, like Red Hat. So, and Oracle is the database. So let's start our practical session. First, we have to open our Vmware workstation. Okay, here is our Vmware 16 Pro. So create a new virtual machine. We have to create a new virtual machine, typical. Then we have to select our ISO. ISO, that means the main platform, the operating system Solaris 10. We have selected this one. Then next, then virtual machine name. Now we have to put the machine name. First I am going to intend the set up our storage, and I'm going to put the name. The storage is VM util. VM util. Actually this one is the it will be our storage, and it will host the DNS server. We'll have a DNS server. We'll configure a DNS server for scan the IPs of Oracle RAC grid infrastructure, the database. We'll have to install later on, and also ask as a target the storage, the shared storage, from where we can share our data in a storage mode, the shared mode. Then ZFS is and we'll have to have that file, zettabyte file system, because this one is Solaris. So zettabyte file system. So later on, one by one we'll install, and you will get to know everything one by one. So we'll have a clear concept on how to make our storage server. So VM util is our storage server. That's all we have to say now. Then later on it will be more clearer to you. So let's move. Okay, already exists. So previously I have tried this one. Users, document, this is VM util. Better I go over there and I try to delete this one first, because that time I have installed. But now okay, now let's try again. Yes, okay. Now we have to take the hard disks, the maximum hard disks. For now we have to maximum hard disks. The space will take like okay, so for example 20 GB. The split virtual disk into multiple files. Later on I will explain why I am going to do this. First we have to check this out. We have to let's do this, all the things step by step. First we have selected one hard disk, 20 GB. Then customize hardware we can do later on. Like I have to, okay, let's do it now. Okay, memory, I have physical memory 8 GB, so I can take 5 GB. It will help to install our process and everything. It will make it faster. Okay, then close it, finish. Moment, let's see what happened. Okay, here is our Vmware Vmware Vmware, but now we are not going to start this one. We have to do some more. We have some other activities. Let's like menu later. I'm going to off this one for now. Now we have to do, I have to take 2 more hard disks, like hard disks, it is SCSI hard disks, create a new virtual disk. Then I'm going to take 50 GB. Multiple files I can take. This one is Vmware 0, the hard disks. It can be called Vmware. Vmware 0. Okay, finish 0. Now I have to take another hard disk. Here I have to add another hard disk, same like this, 50 GB. Finish. Okay, now we have 3 hard disks, 20 GB, 50 and 50. The network adapter we have to change, make it brains, and auto detect, sound card, display, everything is okay. We should move on. Processor I can change, I can make processor 2. It will make a little bit faster when I will install all the softwares. So okay, press OK and let's move on. Let's play our server, VMware server. Now it's asking me to install the Oracle Solaris. Press enter. As I want to install the Solaris in interactive mode, that is in not in binary mode. That is interactive. Interactive mode means so that I can see physically. So let's check it out. Okay, now select number 1, Oracle Solaris Interactive. Install CD using CD dev disk COTO DOPO. This is the hard disk binary name. In Solaris, for Solaris. Attempting to configure internet interface card, which I have we have taken one interface card right now in bridge mode, so it will called as LAN. In Red Hat Linux you will find LAN 1, LAN 2 like this, maybe. Yes, LAN 2, but here in Solaris we will say E1 E1000 Z0, like this. It should be like this. Okay. Extracting Windows system. windowing system, please wait. Okay, let's have a break. Let's check this out. For now, this VM util, it will be our storage. It will be our storage. First, we have to install our storage. Whenever we'll do the same process in our production level, in our data center, we'll have to do the same way. Almost the same way, because we have to install, we have to set up our storage first. We have to allocate the memories and everything. Okay, here we have to choose keyword, layout, the languages, F2, press enter, keyboard language. This if the screen is legible, press enter. Okay, this one is legible. The language, obviously it will be 0 English. Then okay, here I'm putting the system. Okay, now we have to start the installation like this. Next, press enter. We have to go through all the things one by one. So next, first one is network connectivity. Network. If someone says network, okay, the next DHCP. DHCP is right now no need. DHCP will set up later. Then host name Vmware, because this is our Vmware, and click next. IP address for the LAN card. We have to put the IP address. We have to give an IP address. Okay, let's put the IP address over here. That would be 192. We have to remember that this one I am doing for educational purpose only. Don't try in your production database, production environment at all. Please remember that one. Okay, then netmask is okay, fine, because its one is class C IP address. Then enable IPv6. No need, we don't need IPv6 right now. Then set default route. Okay, detect one is specify one. Default route of detect one. Set the default route of server to specify one. Specify one. Specify one. We have to put the routing IP. We manually have to give the IP that 192.168.1.1 168.1.1.1. This one is routing IP. Okay, enable key press. No need. Then the none. Okay, enable table such as name service. Choose the radio one. Next. Okay, name service. The name service. Choose. We don't need the name service right now. Okay, no need. Then manifest domain derived by the system. Okay, fine. Then geographic, the time zone file. We put the time zone file. No, we'll put the geographic country and region. As I'm from Bangladesh, so this one is Bangladesh. Okay, fine. Then okay, this one is what? This one is root password. Okay, I have to give the password for the root password. You can give the root password, enter the root password. You can put the root password as root. Keep the simple password because this one our educational environment, so we don't need to make it so much complex to understand. The root password, the root is the username and password is also keeping root. Better keep welcome 1. So welcome 1. Okay, next. Enabling the remote services. Enabling the remote services. Enabling the okay. Control screen. Enabling the remote services. Over here. Okay, next I would like to register. Not now. Okay, let me see. No need. This one, would you like to enable the network services by using the remote clients? No need. For educational purpose we don't need to get this one. I would like to register again. No need, because we are using the educational purpose, so we don't need to go through this all the things right now. Proxy manager configuration. No, I would like to register. I put no need. There must be some. Let me see. Why I didn't root password? Root password. Okay, root password. Then enabling remote services. Okay, enabling remote services, yes. Okay, confirm information, next. Then worker confirm the information. We don't need this. Okay, confirm the information here. So because I don't need this thing right now as educational purposes. My Oracle support information, no need right now, because we are on education purpose. We're just trying to learn over here how to do on VM virtual machine, so we don't need to put this all right now. See, the host name VMATL, IP address is at the system subnet, okay. IPv6, no. The route routing IP is at the and Dhaka, and this, okay, fine. So it looks good. But confirm. Hopefully our OS installation will begin if there is no problem. Oracle Solaris, next. Then first of all, reboot automatically after software installation. Okay, next, installer option. First one is installer option, right? First one is installer option, yes, and okay. Installer option, yes and okay. Reboot, and choose the remote media as CD DVD, yes, okay. Next, you must also manually CD DVD, okay, no need. CD media, CD DVD, okay, fine. Okay, hopefully let's start our installation, the OS installation. Okay, I accept. Next. Custom installation or default installation. One is the custom installation. Okay, fine. Asia. Asia. Custom installation. Then select the software. Location. Local. Leave it English. Okay, let's see if I keep it like this or what will come up. We can see or not. Okay, this one is come. Pause 6 it's in the initial. Okay, see. Okay, this one is the next one. Web start. System lockdown. Additional product. Additional products is none. We'll put the none. We don't need additional product. Additional product, we need the cluster. So Solaris installation is okay. Now here we have to do entire group plus OEM. Okay, time. What? Here let us select the entire group plus OEM. Entire group plus OEM and default package and put next. Select a Solaris software group to install. Okay, now we have available disk. This 2 and this 3 is this one is the boot disks. We have three hard disks. We have taken our we have seen that we have taken 3 hard disks, like over here. Maybe you can see the okay. So far you can remember that we have taken 3 hard disks. This one is boot disks and these the 2 others. So we have to add this 2 hard disks, extra hard disks as well. Add next. Okay. Then select the hard disk partition customization. Okay. Then next. Next. Select this partition. Okay, customize the F disk. You have to customize the F disk for Solaris. This one F disk C1. Okay, this one. Click next. Okay. Then leave the default of the remaining customize. We must keep it the default way. And the default layout file system will look like this. Okay, let's see. Will look like what? This one. Now click on D1. Okay, selected and modify the software memory and delete the export one below. Okay. File system, we have to put the file system. We have to clean this all actually. Everything will be taken automatically. Everything will be taken automatically. Let's try. Here you can see that it's formed. Okay, go back like that. Next, 3. Okay. Solaris, okay. Next. Okay, what? This one is first one. The first one. This one is very much important. You have to go very carefully with this thing. Solaris no, not like that. So this one I'm selecting. Next. Okay, let me see. Now, so this one. Okay, we have to change what? We have to change this one. The first X. Modify. You have to. We can change this. That's fine. Use allocation. Okay, rest of the things I can keep. Swap memory. And the swap memory. Okay, similarly, now these two. These. Okay, this one. As well, okay. Next two. Modify this one is root. We are going to keep how much? First we have to work on DX1. Approach. Then for swap memory 500. And this one for root export /export/home. will be okay. So this one must be empty. This one we need to modify. We don't need anything to specify here. This one we have to do the same. We don't need to specify anything here. So, okay, it should be like this. Okay, fine. Next installation, it should be like this. You can take a picture of this thing if you think you need to remember. And then the installation is ready to go. Ready to install. Okay. I have to do this very carefully. Don't make it so hurry. You cannot do anything one by one. You have to install the packages. Now Solaris 10 is the software installing these packages, all the packages. You have to keep the patience. You can make a pause over here. Here we are almost done here. The packages so going to install, and it's remaining on it 10%. So wait for a while until it's finished the installation, the package installation. Later on maybe we will have 2 more packages we have to download from internet. I'll show you that one also. These are the default packages. Maybe today we will not able to complete the whole process because we have so many softwares to install. After OS you have to put the DNS server, you have to so many softwares you have to install. So let's see how long we can do. You can see over here. Okay, here we have pausing 90 seconds. The wizard will continue the next step unless the pause continue, or press select. Okay, continue. You put the okay, continue. Software install is done. Finishing a script is located and the script is flipped. Okay, continue. Let's see. Press continue. Additional software. Pausing 90 seconds. Continue. Please reboot. And that will stop. During the installation, we'll have multiple pop-up. Continue, and we'll have the welcome screen. It should be appeared anytime. Rebooting. So this one is our our OS installation is okay, everything is okay, then we will have our welcome screen in front of us. Let's see. So this would be our, if it's done, if we can log in with our root password, then this would be our OS installation. The VM util Solaris OS installation will be done if we can successfully log inside. Then I will take another video with our next session. So I don't want to make it longer, so that you can easily follow my videos. Vmware console login supposed. Am I qualified, unqualified, host name? Okay, unqualified because we didn't install the DNS right now. Whenever you will install, you have to be more careful, because it's a long process to go. It will take a long time to go. So try not to make any mistake while you install. Before install, you go through all the documents and everything, whatever you have, the processors, whatever you will follow. And let's see what happened in our case. Okay, fantastic. So far we can see good. Let's try to log inside. Root, username root. Okay, password welcome1. Well, good, great. The terminal common desktop environment release 3 will select release 3. Okay, Java desktop system release 3. Okay. So far we can see that our installation is perfect. OS installation is completed. Fantastic. Done. Close. So we can see to make our cursor free from our VM environment, press holding down the control and press and alt, so it will become free and you can move this one, move the cursor. Okay, launch. You have to launch, go to the launch application, utilities, terminal, launch application, utilities, terminal, control alter over here at this launch panel. Okay, no, okay. We don't need this actually, just to check this one. Let's close this one. Let's go to the launch Okay, launch preference, the preference, desktop preference, display, screen resolution. Put like this. Okay, fine. Apply. Okay. Okay, install Vmware tools. Again, go launcher bar. Then install the Vmware tools. Where is that? Not over here, actually we have to come here, the Vmware install Vmware tools. Okay, download and install. Install Vmware tools. Okay. Download and install. Download the Vmware tools for Solaris. Let's see. What's this actually? Good. Come over here, Vmware Solaris. You have to extract the file, temp, open the terminal, okay, you have to extract this one. Let's go to terminal. We already have the Vmware tools, but let's open the terminal. Reference. Utilities. Terminal. Here we have to extract the file. So cd actually it should be Vmware tools, right? So not 10, it should be on desktop, because this one is now on desktop. So that's fine. So cd on Vmware. We have to keep this one copy file in the temp folder. I got temporary folder with best files over here. We extract here first. Let's go to terminal and check this out, if we can run this or not. cd temp cd temp your input maybe okay, cd temp to run this one. Tools cannot execute. Okay. Have to go to loading the root. So have to go inside first. to go inside CD tools, Vmware tools, distributed Vmware tools, strib distrib Vmware. TMP tools, we have this file. In which directory you want to install the binary? This one for what? This one we have to get ready, make ready our done. Okay, everything is okay. Now until now our installation is fine. It's running very smoothly. We have what we have done. We have installed our OS on our storage. The disk partition and disk allocation is everything is done. And VMware tools we have done. And so far until now it's okay. So see you in our next video. In our next video we'll install our shared folder. We'll make a shared folder to run here. Let's continue with the same video. Okay, now right click on the virtual VM utils and go to settings, then virtual settings and options. Where is the options? Over here is the options, and the options, and after that shared folder, okay, shared folder, then this one always enabled, make a shared folder, add, and host path, you can put the host path and the folder from the host machine. Daily Oracle software area. In the article I have add button. Okay, we better make one host path over here. I'll come back again here. Okay, we better make a host path. Settings, options, folder, always, add, next, browse. The folder name. Better is GFS. Path. Have to put a path. Okay. Here VM details. Make a create a new path. Make a new path over here. And okay, let's go make a new path over here. Okay, where's the location, let's raise the location. Shared folder, the location must be in a virtual machine or desktop documents. Partition details. Okay, I can make a folder over here. New folder. I put the name new folder shared. Is enable this share. Enable this share. I have to enable this share. Name given to share folder. Now we'll go for what to go for. We must go for the our DNS installation. etc host. Root terminal. Open terminal. We have this one. We have to install the domain name. We have to configure the domain name. Fully qualified domain name. You have to put the domain name over here. You have to add the domain name. Put the domain name over here. cd etc host. And if I restart this one, let's restart the machine. Maybe we'll get a fantastic view. Okay, let's reboot our server first. Restart the PC. This time maybe we'll have the convenient environment to handle our Vmware machine, VM2. Now we have to install we have to put our domain name which we call FTDN, fully qualified domain name, in our host file. Spelling mistake. Spelling mistake over here. VI is the editor. etc host. VI host, etc host. Must be over here. Okay. Status host here. Edit. How to change? No. I just right now. Let me check how to command is select the VI tag. Use the I insert now. Okay, let's try I. Delete. Okay. Vm. Work. I need to change something. We forgot the command now. What? VI file name VIR return writing a modified name. Can I put the one what's wrong with this editor? Actually, we can change in manually from here as well, like etc and host. Press H, host file. Host file, we have to find out the host. Okay, from here we can change our, we can put our fully qualified FTDM, fully qualified domain name for our DNS. Okay, it will be like util dot mydom.com space host. Vmware mydom.com will be our DNS. mydom.com. Okay, save it. And I can come out of it. Okay, let's take a snapshot. How to take the snapshot? Login to row terminal bar of snapshot. If we want to take a snapshot, right click on the snapshot, take a snapshot and type a snapshot button, snapshot name, give the snapshot Vmware snapshot 1, I put the name snapshot of what? Vmware snapshot of Vmware 1. Snapshot Vmware 1. Take a description can put the description over here. Solaris OS Installed, but whatever we have done until now, put the description over here. Solaris OS Installed, so that next time we can see the snapshot whatever we have done if we forget. Modified, we have done this one. Vmware tools installed. It will help you a lot. Desktop configure. So these all we have done till now. So take a snapshot. This one help us a lot. So I think this all for today. We have done the 4 steps. Solaris OS installation, etc, host modified, VMware tools installed, and desktop configuration. Next time we will go how to set up the DNS server.